Este cochino mamá. Este cochino mamá. Our farm dogs. They want to take the day off and play with their master. It's a good. This little guy named Raul. Raul, right, Raul? You're a good little puppy, right, Raul? He's actually not a puppy. He's actually a full-grown dog already. It's just born small. And somebody that I know of. That's why he was named Raul. This one over here is a female, half blue heeler and half, what is it, German Shepherd? Looks like it. Right, Mama? Hey, Mama, and this guy's Raul here. Come here, Raul. It's a good little puppy, Raul. He's not a puppy. I keep saying he's a puppy because he's so small. He's a full-grown dog. I don't know what kind he is, but he's very obedient. He's always with me. But just like the blue heater over here, she's always with me also. When I drive around, they're always following behind me, and they always stay near me when I'm parked. This here is Lake Austin. This is in the area of oh my. I'm getting a phone call, which I better answer. Oh, I can answer it here. Hello. 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 I'm here at the Palapa right now. Where are you at?